first introduce ourselves. My name is Eiríkur Bragason. I'm the CEO of Orka Energy, and we are with our company Biliran Geothermal Incorporated. We are developing here a power plant. Nilo Aquata is the chief geologist, and Tia is our public relations manager. So I would like to tell you a little bit about what we are doing, what's the status of our project, and what we intend to do. So Orka Energy has origin in Iceland and has been building many power plants in Iceland. But the team has also been building other geothermal plants in Germany and Slovakia and also in China. And we are starting with the first power plant here in Philippines. We have been building 115 power plants in China. In China.
115.
115 heating plants for heating. It's a geothermal energy for heating. And we are now starting with the first power plant in Philippines, and this power plant will produce electricity based on geothermal energy. And what happens is actually we drill wells into the ground, and because we have here high mountains, those are actually old volcanoes. The mountains here are old volcanoes, they are not active anymore, but there is a very high temperature in this area. And we drill wells into the ground, and suddenly we get into an area where we have a lot of steam, and we take the steam into the turbine, and the turbine produces electricity, and then we take the fluid again and pump it into the ground. So this is a sustainable, clean, green energy. And this is a very advanced and complicated technology, especially for a very magmatic area like here. And we are bringing a very special, more advanced technology to this area to build this green, clean energy. And we believe that going forward for the next 10, 20 years, we will have much more of those plants. Eventually also 115 plants in Philippines producing clean, green energy, and so that we can reduce the pollution. And we are therefore very happy with the statement made by the Pope, who was visiting Tacloban, and he was making a statement about the damage the typhoon has caused, and he was raising question, why do we have the typhoons? Why is global warming? It is because we, the human being, have been polluting the air and the environment. And he is very supportive towards clean energy, and that's why we feel very supportive by him, and we believe we are doing something very good. Orka Energy has always taken its social responsibility very seriously in the last projects, and also the environmental responsibility. And we sincerely believe that with our power plants here in Biliran, we will boost the economy, we will create opportunities for young people, and we will be able to provide a much more stable and reliable energy for the people in Biliran. In addition, they don't have to pay the transmission cost from other areas like they're doing today. So that is what we have been doing in general, so the kind of the overall picture of Orka Energy. So if I then go a little bit down to our project here in Biliran, then we started with civil works in the year 2013. We started with building roads, drilling pads, bridges, improving harbor facility, a lot of civil works we have been working. I believe we had 200 people at the site for some time. And then late 2013 we started to do the drilling works, where we started to drill into the ground. We have now drilled 5 new production wells, and we have confirmed energy in the size of 15 megawatt, 1-5. 10 megawatt are absolutely confirmed, and with the wells that we still have to test, we assume that we will have in total 15 megawatt with those wells. Some of the wells have not been tested, so we can still have more, like from well number 4. And some of the wells will be used for injection wells. But anyway, we have now confirmed that there is a lot of energy in the reservoir, and we have reached the level where we are operational. And the day before yesterday, we received from the Department of Energy the certificate of commerciality, meaning that we are commercial with our energy, and we are ready to go. We are ready to order a turbine and start to produce. So we are, after testing, we decided to slow down a little bit because we are evaluating the result of testing the wells, and we intend to start up again approximately in July, and then we will start with continue the construction, and we will start the construction of the powerhouse to produce energy. So we believe that we can start to produce electricity in approximately in August, September 2016, next year. So this is where we are. We believe that we can continue with further power plants here in the Biliran concession. There is a lot of energy here in this area, and we intend to proceed with small plants, power plants here in this area, and eventually in other parts of Philippines, where we can come in, build up clean, green energy, support the community, support the environment. So we really look forward to continue with our development, and who knows, eventually we will at some time reach 115 power plants here in Philippines. That's it. 15.
115.
So this is a brief overview of what we are doing. We are mainly here because we decided to slow down drilling because we are testing all the wells we have drilled, and people are asking us if we are going to continue, and of course we are going to continue. We have invested enormously in the project with our fund, and we have confirmed very valuable energy, very valuable steam, and we will definitely continue with our project. So that's a brief overview of where we are, and so if you have some questions or concerns, then please ask.